Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Heer Mehta
And my name is Purvi Bhandari.
So today's video is going to be a really fun video, and through this video you'll get to know a little more about us.
So as you have read by the title, we are doing the who is most likely to die. For the ones who don't know what this challenge is, basically we both will be asking each other questions which are relating to a situation, a behavior or our habit, and we will be answering them. But
To make this challenge more interesting, we have a twist. So the twist is each of us has a bowl of water in front of us, and whichever person is most likely to do whatever has been asked in the question shall dip their face in the bowl.
so we hope that you understood what the challenge is, and if you did not, then you will be able to know during the course of the video. So without any further ado, let's get started.
So our first question is,
Who is most likely to be a drama queen?
I do
She's
drama.
a huge drama queen.
Who is most likely to sleep during a class?
Only if it's a boring class.
Who is most likely to cry in a public place?
I do cry when I don't get something.
Who is most likely to act like a tomboy?
Purvi! She talks like. बताओ. बता. How boys talk. She talks like that.
Who is most likely to talk to themselves?
Yeah, both.
Who is most spend an entire day in the library?
Purvi, she
I
can.
love reading books, so
Who is most likely to get pissed and say something regretful?
I get pissed but not saying regretful. It's okay.
Who is
Revenge.
most likely to tell a lie to get out of trouble?
I don't
Both.
lie.
Sometimes I do.
Who is most likely to have a lot of phobias?
I have
I don't have
darkness
phobias.
and insects.
And many more.
Who is most likely to have terrible cooking and baking skills?
She.
Once I made a Maggie which turned out mind blowing, but then I tried and made a chocobar ice cream, and by making it, I just served it and ate it by myself, and the rest of the work was done by my sisters and my mama. So
Who is most likely to take a lot of time to shoot a video?
this is the 4th hour of us
Shooting
trying
this
to
video.
shoot this particular video, so I guess it's applicable for both of us.
Yes, of course.
Who is most likely to take a lot of time to shoot a video?
This is the 4th hour of us
Shooting
trying
this
to
video.
shoot this particular video, so I guess it's applicable for both of us.
Yes, of course.
Host a sleepover.
Both.
Who is most likely to be in the bed the entire day?
Purvi.
I can. I have never, but I can.
Who is most likely to be addicted to YouTube?
Both.
Who is most likely to develop a habit of overspending?
Not overspending, but I love doing shopping.
Who is most likely to sleep during a movie?
Purvi.
I always sleep during a movie.
In a theater also, huh?
Who is most likely to become a police officer?
I want to become an IPS officer.
Who is most likely to bake and sell cookies?
Not sell, but I love baking.
I'm very bad at baking.
Who is most likely to always be well dressed?
I can never be wet.
I just love makeup.
Who is most likely a new trick?
I just love dogs, so yeah, I can be one.
Who is most likely to go shopping for one thing and come back with everything else than that one thing?
Both.
Both.
Especially chips. And chocolates. And ice creams.
Who is most likely to do weird things in public?
Purvi.
I never did one, but
She does sometimes.
Who is most likely to make a photo journal?
I am working on it.
Who is most likely to collect and paint rocks?
I just got rock art from Amazon, so I just love it.
Who is most likely to hoard a bunch of weird things?
Purvi. She collects it.
They are not weird.
She loves those dabba dabbis. So with this question, we come to the end of the video.
Which took us multiple hours to shoot.
And I hope you got to know a few things about us.
Like Heer is very creative, she's very fashionable, she loves cooking, she loves our drama queen.
And Purvi, she's a tomboy. She's very lazy, of course, but she likes doing editing. And like she just loves reading books. And she is like very sincere. And studies also.
So we hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to
Like,
share
share
and
and
subscribe. And
You can try it with your friends and family.